There you go, boy.
Sadie, high five. No.
逆子。
Is there a point to this not emergency meeting, or can I get back to my regularly scheduled not being around all of you?
You want to go on a car ride? Let's go. We're going on a car ride.
I'm here. Behind you, look. Behind you. One more one.
If you had a bad day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself a cabinet kitty. Ow!
Whoop. Paddle. What happened?
I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me. He just sits there.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go for?
Ruby, come in. Yep, get up there.
There's the real difference between dog people and cat people. Dog people wish their dogs were people. Cat people wish they were cats.
At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible. Don't, no. Get up.
Coconut. Please.
It is the role of one young boy in particular named Christopher Robin. Now, Christopher Robin has a very active imagination, not to mention...
你能不能走开？
Wait. 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 Wait.
Hey, Solar, the corn farmer wants me to tell you. Psst, 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 psst.
Why steady, huh?
Hi. Calm. Calm down. Ow. Calm down.
You're not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
Hi, Patty. Come on. What a good boy. Oh, what a good boy. You did it.
Sit. Good sit. Can you speak? Good speak. Good boy.
Rejected. You don't like that?
Oh yeah. Whoa! Look who got a new outfit. Oh, look who got fancy new clothes.
I think he likes it.
Oh my gosh.
Right, Jota, we're going. What are you doing under there?
Oh my god. Wow. That's freaking cool.
Ready for breakfast, Lair? Come on over. Morning, Larry. Here you go.
Oh my god. Bruno, he took a whole leg. Rudy, no. Bruno.
I swear to God, I've done like everything. How do I stop her from chewing off the whiskers of other cats? Because, like, she's got full whiskers there. But, like, all the other guys... Move to the light. Come here. Not...
Nigga,
What? No.
Come over here, son. Down. Yeah. All right, love. Can I just see your palm? Oh, yes. And then I have to touch on the ear on the dog. Okay? Yes. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. All right. And you're all set, buddy. Okay.
Eddie, do you want to go to school? You want to go to school? Okay. Okay, let's get ready for school. It's exciting, I know.
Federico, where's the baby? Huh? Federico, where's the baby? Huh? Where is he?
This is the treatment that I get after not seeing him for like a month. Benelli. Benelli. Benelli.
Kevin? Kevin McAllister. How's that crockpot chicken treating you? Kevin?
Winton, I thought you wanted to sleep with your auntie. Do you not want to sleep with your auntie? Do you want to sleep with your mom?
Oh, shh. No. No. Yes. Yes, do that. Yeah. Yes.
So I just want to go be friends with everybody.
He does.
Because I know they will love me.
He loves her too.
Yes. Yes. I know. I love the grunts. I know. I know.
Oh, he gets so excited. No, you can't go. Oh, you got him.
I got him.
Okay.
We go again, every night. Every night. It's the peer plop. This guy just loves, as soon as I get home, I grab a beer, I sit on the deck, and then I get plopped on by my big boy and my lady. So much love in this house.
I didn't even know Mr. Polite Guy still existed. Did you fall? Oh, sure, I'll help you up. Sure thing, pal. So he is still in there. He is still there. Mr.
Dude, she will be back. She will be back. Don't worry. She'll be back.
Is it cold at Louis? Is it cold? Leave him alone, Wags.
What? Look! Oh my God, Mika, I took all your... You are bald now.
Oh no!
You are bald. Oh my God, Mika, you are bald. I took all your fluff. Look, all this is your fluff.
Brisket, I got a question for you. Brisket, do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts? I can't stand you. Do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh, 6 hours last night.
You want a donut or something? Reese. Donuts? Donuts are not for doggies. But everybody gets mad at me for not giving you one. So here's a little piece, okay? To good girl.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is there a reason my crock is in your bed? That didn't mean take a second crock. Don't commend her bad behavior.
That was perfect timing.
Phyllis, you naughty girl.
Thinks that kimchi is so well behaved, but this is an argument right here. What's happening right here is an argument. Hey, I don't like your tone, ma'am. Watch your tone. Watch that tone. Whoa, whoa. Okay. No!
Karen, if you want to get off, just get off. Right, we're going to make it go faster because we have to. Darling. Oh my god. Seriously?
This is not the best quality, but I've got to show you how confused he is. I was just kissing his nose and he just is staring at me. You've never had kisses? Little derpy little. Oh, honey.
I'm not sure I'm interested in that. No, I am sure. I am not interested in that.
Sonny, why are you a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
Hey, buddy.
Oh my God. If my parents see this, I am toast.
Really has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
Wow. I can't believe I got that on video. Hey, buddy. Hi.
Side, buddy. Come here. Come on in. Come in. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
All right, buddy, just like I do, okay? Woo! All right, your turn. No!
Hey man, that ain't no fucking pinata. We'll be home with your dinner soon, okay? Not now, soon.
Mom's getting you dinner.
No, we're not going.
Well, you're really doing it, aren't you? You're just shitting in the street.
Good morning, Juno. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here, look, Mr. Chip. Look in there. All Chip's clothes. Look at that. Look.
So 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. You're not getting our guns back. No.
Titus?
Hey, Gus. Gus. Sit. Good sit. Good sit.
But that's not fair. Well, actually, that.
I literally left for 5 minutes. And this is what I walked back into.
Geez, why are you in the fold-out chair?
Because the cat was in my chair.
Okay, you couldn't just move him?
He was sleeping. Oh, he's awake now. You want some treats?
You remember when you said you never wanted a cat?
Bruce, don't listen to that. Your mother lies.
Are you helping? Are you helping? Daddy, you got your own turkey and okay.